Creating a corporate email signature for your employee emails is a hassling task, as it should contain the company logo, phone number, website, and social icons by default, not to mention the employee and the position. ByBrand helps companies like yours to create a uniform email communication fast in just a few simple steps. Click on Signatures and Templates and select Create from Scratch option. Here we have chosen a 480 pixel wide template that we'll be working on. First, add a column with 3 sevens. Next, add your company logo and default contact information. You can also add social icons for LinkedIn and Instagram if you want. Save the email signature to ensure that you don't lose any changes. Now, add a disclaimer block at the footer and complete your template. Now you can clone this template as many times as you want and create a similar one for another employee, saving you loads of time and force. ByBrand is the best email signature manager software that creates a beautiful employee email signatures to strengthen your brand image. For queries, feel free to reach us at bybrand.io.